What's going on YouTube? My name's Shidler Bennett, and today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about Lemonade Insurance. Now, a ton of videos are out there talking about the business model, so I'm not going to spend any time about that. I'll actually link a few videos below on those that I feel like have done a good job at describing their business model. But in this video, I wanted to go into a little bit of detail of how I see it as an insurance agent and owner of a brokerage and compare that to Lemonade's model and why I do think that there's going to be a lot of success. But I will also highlight a few of the things that they're going to need to do to have that success. So to begin, Lemonade is starting about as simple as you can in insurance. They've started with renter's insurance, and they are going for clients that are new to insurance. They've never had it before. They're moving out for the first time, getting an apartment, or just getting into their first place, not sure what to do. Their AI allows it to be a very seamless process for you to get set up very quickly. And if there are claims on a renter's policy, they typically don't cost that much. So it actually made it really easy for Lemonade to pay out on those claims a lot more quickly than many of the insurance companies do currently. Now, they're all working to improve on that because that's a huge part of the customer experience. But what they're doing that's amazing is, as an insurance agent, I have success when I can give customers the experience that they want, allowing them to stay with me for years and years. The average insurance customer stays in an agency around 7 years. And the target retention rate for the industry as a whole, for brokerages, independent brokerages like my own, is 85%. Now, go look at Lemonade's numbers and just start doing your own analysis on if they were able to retain 85 or better, and it makes their numbers even that much more impressive. So the other part is, what you're going to do is you're going to gain these low-level accounts that are renters that someday are going to turn into homeowners, right? These homeowners now have only had experiences with Lemonade, and as long as it's been good, there's not much of a reason that they would go shop. Lemonade now has gone from renter's insurance to condo insurance to homeowners insurance, and will be adding umbrella coverage, which is added liability, so that, let's say someone sued you or something like that, then that would cover you, and also, of course, auto insurance. Once you have a great customer base and you've only sold them renter's insurance or homeowners insurance, it's much easier to get that bundle that every insurance company talks about. Now, the reality is, and as an independent agent, I do try to get people bundles, but a lot of the times there are better deals and more savings if we split up the various insurances. So one challenge that Lemonade Insurance might face is, if they're not careful with their loss ratios or the amount of people that have claims, they could have to increase their premiums to keep up with that. The one thing I will say is, every year their loss ratios have decreased substantially. So as far as that goes, they're doing things right. And I currently own a position in Lemonade. I do think it's the future. I think that more companies need to take their approach. I do still see a lot of value in having an agent like myself to talk you through different scenarios and not have to deal with AI. But in my own personal agency, love to have AI and all of the things that they're implementing, but also give it kind of the hometown feel as well. So my opinion is that Lemonade has a very, very bright future. The insurance industry is a $1 trillion industry. It's hard to even comprehend how big that is. And they are starting at the ground level, doing things that these big companies aren't looking to do, aren't willing to do. This is an industry that is ripe for disruption and innovation. I think they're on to something here. So again, this is not financial advice, but this is from an insurance agent to the general public. Lemonade Insurance is doing a lot of things amazing. I'm here in Utah, so I haven't actually been able to quote myself just to see where the rates are at. But talk to your agent, see what they think, and hey, if you've got the means, might be one worth looking into. Until next time, hit that like button and subscribe for more information. I'm going to be putting out a lot more content related to insurance and just what you need to know to put yourself in the best position, especially with all the crazy changing world that we're dealing with right now. So thank you for watching, and comment below. Tell me what you think. Take care.